Welcome to Car Culture Club, your go-to destination for the latest updates, reviews, and deep dives into the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Brilliance Alaikum, a vehicle that is generating a lot of buzz for its unique blend of style, performance, and advanced technology. This model from Brilliance is set to make a strong statement in the compact sedan segment, especially for drivers looking for a balance of affordability, innovation, and premium touches. The 2026 Alaikum comes with a bold and refined exterior design. It features a sleek front grille integrated smoothly with LED headlamps, giving the car a modern and somewhat aggressive look. The body lines are clean and aerodynamic, enhancing both aesthetics and efficiency. With alloy wheels that vary between 16 and 18 inches depending on the trim, and a sloping roofline that adds a sporty silhouette, this model easily stands out in traffic. Under the hood, the Alaikum is expected to be powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine that delivers around 150 horsepower and 220 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual or a CVT automatic transmission, catering to different driving preferences. While it's not built for racing, it offers more than enough power for daily commuting and weekend road trips, and the ride comfort is reportedly well-tuned for both city streets and highways. Inside the cabin, the Alaikum leans heavily into modern tech and comfort. It offers a 10.25-inch infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster adds a futuristic feel, while soft-touch materials across the dashboard and doors elevate the overall feel of the interior. Higher trims include features like wireless charging, a panoramic sunroof, leather upholstery, and a premium sound system, making it feel much more upscale than its price might suggest. Safety is another area where Brilliance has stepped up. The 2026 Alaikum is expected to come equipped with several driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These systems not only enhance driver confidence but also improve overall road safety. In terms of space, both front and rear passengers get ample legroom, and the boot space is sufficient for a family's weekend luggage or weekly shopping haul. Fuel efficiency is another strong point of the Alaikum. Thanks to the turbocharged engine and lightweight frame, fuel economy figures are projected to be competitive in its class, making it a cost-effective choice for budget-conscious drivers. While official figures may vary by region, early estimates suggest around 16 to 18 km per liter. With a solid build, contemporary features, and pricing aimed at middle-income buyers, the 2026 Brilliance Alaikum is shaping up to be a practical yet stylish option for many. Whether you're a young professional looking for